I want to circle back to something you said a little bit earlier about treating the personal statement like an interview, showing another side of yourself. I'm wondering if you could elaborate on that just a little bit more, because I did think it was an interesting idea just in terms of inspiring folks.
Yeah, I'll try. I think that at least for us, somewhere in that personal statement should be something about why you want to go to law school. I have read a very interesting personal statements. I've read them, but then I get to the end and I think, well, what was the point of this? Why did I just read that? Something in there has to be, for us anyway, something about why they want to go to law school. But I think you can really make yourself crazy spending too much time thinking about what you should write your personal statement about. I get so many people that come up to me and say, "Can I ask your opinion? I'm thinking about writing about this, or I'm thinking about writing about that. And what do you think?" As if, most of the time when they say that, not all the time, but most of the time, I think, I mean, they both sound pretty good. They both could be interesting. They both sound legitimate and valid topics for a personal statement. So I say, maybe the best advice I could give somebody is try to have somebody read it who but you don't know all that well, and say, look, if you were looking to admit me or hire me, did you get to know me well? Did you find this interesting? Did you like reading it? And then you've done your job. There's no secret to this stuff. It's, you have to apply to a range of schools and put yourself into a range of schools where those numbers that I was talking about earlier, yeah, apply to some schools where it's 5 or 10%, but apply to some schools where it's 90%, and then write the best personal statement that you can, and you should be in good shape.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.